What up, y'all? Back at it. Today's episode, we'll be throwing some new rims onto my Datsun 720. Check it out. About to head over to the tire shop, get these rims all tired up with this. So stay tuned. Hiace、マイケル・バンツです。今日のエピソードは17インチのホイールをダットサン720につけるので、今からはこのホイールとタイヤをつけに行ってトラックにつけます。ぜひ見てください。Peace。Look at that, 17-inch rims. And got the tires, so we're gonna go ahead and head over to the tire shop. So I got the tires all installed on. Ooh, look at that, nice. All right, let's take these out. All right, let's lift the front end up. All right, look at that. Nice. Now, one more tire, one more rim, and we'll be finished. We gotta do that one over there. All right, there's my old rims. 古いホイール15インチコンテナに運びます。So I'll go ahead and take these containers and I'll do a walk around right after that, and for you guys could check out my new 17-inch rims. これはコンテナ入れて後からトラック回って17インチホイールを見せるので見てください。Alright, got the rims all mounted, 6 lug.
なんでこれ？
かっこいいでしょ。
またあれタイヤはどうするの？
コンテナに入れた。Look at that, badass. Rims are originally for Toyota Hiace, but it mounted right up. Rihanna, cool? Cool? Yeah, that is nice. Look at that. It lifted the truck up a little bit, but it's fine. The front, I may have to have the torsion bar and drop it down a little bit. As you see, there's a gap right there, so I'm gonna drop the front a little bit. The back is already 2-inch blocks dropped, so I can't go lower than that. Well, I don't want to because it'll start rubbing on the belly and hit stuff. So say hello. Say hello. うちはハイエースのトヨタハイエースのホイールが一応完璧に入ったので17インチ。フロントはトーションボーでちょっと落とさないといけないですけどバッチリですね。
何を落とすの？
うん？
何を落とすの？
何？
これ何を落とすの？
車高を落とすん。車高。
車高ってどれ？
車高ってサスペンションさ。Alright, till next. Peace.